Hello, fellow Realtors, and welcome to the Bay East Buzz. I'm Doreen Roberts. I have some very important news to share with you if your real estate license is expiring in 2019 or 2020. The National Association of Realtors requires that all Realtors take a class on the Code of Ethics every 2 years. That's the Biennial Code of Ethics training requirement. The first cycle began January 1st, 2017, and it ends December 31st of this year. That means if your license expires in 2019 or 2020, you must take the class before December 31st, 2018. That's just a few months away. Or come January of 2019, the association must suspend any member that has not taken the required training. This is an NAR requirement, and the local association has no leeway to make any exceptions. Yikes, wouldn't that be terrible to find out in January that you are suspended from membership simply because you didn't get this course taken care of in a timely manner? Of course it would be terrible, so don't let it happen to you. There are options to take the class, including online options or the very popular and super informative live classes the association offers for free. The advantages of the live class are there's no quiz or test that attendees must take, and you get to ask lots of questions to get clarification on issues that you personally want to know more about. There's a link below to the scheduled dates for the live classes for the rest of this year, as well as the link to the online classes that do require a quiz to pass online. If you're lucky enough to be exempt from DRE continuing education requirements, you will need to take the Biennial Code of Ethics class every 2 years or in every cycle. So every Realtor member will need to take the Code of Ethics training every other biennial cycle, or basically once every 4 years. This class does not provide continuing education credits and has nothing to do with the 45 hours that is required by the Department of Real Estate. It is a National Association of Realtors requirement.